This is a story of the elephant seal. And this is San Simeon, California. The elephant seal takes their name from the large proboscis of the adult males, the bulls. The bull's proboscis is used in producing extraordinarily loud, roaring noises, especially during the season of love. More importantly, however, the nose acts as a sort of rebreather, filled with cavities designed to reabsorb moisture from the animal's exhalations. This is important when making love, as the seals won't leave the beach to feed for as much as 2 months, and they must conserve body moisture, as they have no source of incoming water. Elephant seals spend upwards of 80% of their lives in the ocean and can hold their breath for more than 100 minutes. They dive to 1,550 meters below the ocean surface. The deepest recorded dive, 7,835 feet. The average dive, about 300 to 600 meters. How you doing? They return to San Simeon twice a year. Back in the 1800s, the elephant seal was hunted to the brink of extinction. The only thing endangered now is the danger of falling in love.
Wow.
Hey there, sexy. Oh, sorry, dude. My bad. This stretch of beach, just 7 miles north of San Simeon, is home to 17,000 animals. And with help from friends of the elephant seal, these little guys may have a chance to fight for their harem too. Who knew learning about elephant seals could be so sexy?